So day 16 of harvest log, and obviously baling some straw out here. This is a local beef farmer, Chris, and yeah, his team. So right up behind the combine is just over the hedge there. We're actually chopping that straw. This field is being baled off because we have a trial coming on in here with our adopt funding partners, which is Reading University, and then 3 other farming businesses as well, looking at the impact of legume cover crops and can we use remote sensing, so looking at the biomass of the cover crop to put together variable rate nitrogen application plans for the following spring crop. So some work like that has been done before, but not in the UK, and we are we're looking forward to doing that through this winter. Hopefully we can get the cover crops planted, get a bit of moisture around, and then we can have a look at the impact of those cover crops through the season. So the bale accumulator is playing up a little bit. The straw is it's very, very dry, it's very brittle, hasn't really ripened, it's more sort of died off, so just dropping them out individually at the moment, and getting those stacked up all ready to go. So this field will be cleared later on, and we've got a little bit of drainage issues out here to do. We've got some laterals that just need a bit of a look-see. Get a rod up inside those and sort them out, and then we will get some cover crops in here planted. I suspect when we get a little bit of rain on the horizon, we've got enough in the ground at the moment, so we'll wait and see what happens. But yeah, day 16, cracking on.